Uttar Pradesh. We make skincare product using donkey milk. And we are here to exhibit our product, and we have innovation in donkey farming, and we work with the donkey owner community who work at construction site and bricklanes. We buy milk from them at market price of 1300 to 2000 rupees liter and convert that into different products. हमारे पास 5 variants of soaps है, facial soaps है, जो कि totally 100% natural है. We don't use any chemical or synthetic fragrance at all. And right now we are working in UP, Delhi NCR, buying milk from the farmer and converting that into these products. You can see.
How are the prices?
The prices start from 499 rupees because the ingredient and of course the donkey milk are little costly actually. So it starts from 499. We have soaps according to the skin type actually, and we have developed it. I'm from Tata Institute of Social Sciences. I graduated from there. This was my college thesis basically, and after my post graduation I converted this into a full-time startup, and we were also on the Forbes 30 under 30 Asia list of social entrepreneurship for this innovative startup, because donkey milk is an untapped resource. Nobody in India knows about that. They have Sone ki Chidiya with them, जो donkey owners होते हैं. They don't know this, and they can utilize donkey milk into different other purposes. And also one thing we are impacting that the population of donkeys, it is decreasing dangerously right now. We have currently 1,20,000 donkeys in India, and this could be one of the method to save donkeys, because उसमें एक value add हो जाएगा. लोग जो donkeys पालते हैं, they will get to know कि उसमें और भी benefit है, and उस वे में हम donkey के population को खत्म होने से भी बचा सकते हैं. Yeah, and of course the people who own donkeys, they are construction and ईंट की भट्टियों पे काम करते हैं. उनके लिए भी एक stability आ जाएगी livelihood में. वो भी हम लोग एक promote करते हैं through our enterprise. Before COVID, we did a baseline survey in Hyderabad, but due to basically some COVID crisis, we stopped that. But definitely, we would love to come to Telangana. We got received call from donkey owner farmers from here, because people are getting to know about the donkey farming and they are coming up with the donkey farm. So when I started in 2007 or 18, there wasn't a single article on donkey milk talking about from Indian perspective. It's been like 4 years, and the awareness the created in market about donkey milk through digital campaign and all, it's very, very amazing actually, and people getting to know, people are knowing about the benefit and the scope donkey milk has in future. So they are coming and interacting, they want to sell milk. So definitely we would love someday to come to Telangana.
So right now you are in Hyderabad.
Response is really nice. Just Minister told us our work, and people are coming. They are very curious to know, because this is the first time they are seeing something made of donkey milk, and they never heard and never somebody came and said, and I could never imagine that we can utilize or we can use donkey milk or milk donkeys. So yeah, definitely it's very happy to see that people are recognizing this untapped resource also. organiko.in, and we are delivering pan India. We are also on Instagram, Facebook from the name Organico, Beautifying Life, and yeah.